Hey guys, I just wanted to go over a couple of the problems on this page, just to kind of review and have you go over this with me so you can compare to your answers. Okay, so 2, 4, and 6, all you have to do is insert the decimal. So there were two ways that we talked about doing it. One way was when you have one digit to the right of the decimal, you need to have one digit to the right of the decimal in your answer. So your decimal would go here. Or you can estimate 72 would round to 70. And 6.8 is almost 7. So then what would be 70 times 7? It would be 490. And so 489 would be, oops, as close to 489.6. So the two ways you can do it. Okay, when the word's already been done for you, you can, this is the easiest strategy. I have two digits to the right of the decimal. So I need to have two digits to the right of my decimal in my answer. Okay, now this one was tricky for a lot of people. This one's kind of tricky because we have the 0 here. And when we took 140 times 0.404, there should be a 0 here. They didn't count that 0, so our decimal should go here. So if you multiplied it out, it should be 5.60, but they took away this and just multiplied that times 14. So add that 0 back. So that's our answer there. Okay, now down here, we had some problems here. So I'm just going to work through the problem, and I want you to kind of think what you did. So when you multiply, just ignore the decimal for now. So 9 times 6 is 54. 6 times 5 is 30, plus the 5 would be 35. Okay, I'm done with the 6. Okay, now I'm going to put my placeholder here because this is really 30. So I am going to put that 0 there. So it's 3 times 9 is 27. And 3 times 5 is 15, 16, 17. Now I'm going to add these two together. I don't know why that keeps doing that. Let's see, 11, carry the 1, and 2. Okay, so I've done the multiplying, but now this is really 5.9. So I have one digit behind or to the right of the decimal, so I need one digit to the right of my decimal in my answer. So the answer is 212.4. Okay, now this one, write it out. Okay, come on, 2, where are you? Okay, so without the decimal, we're just going to multiply it. 3 times 1, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, done with the 3. Here's my placeholder. 5 times 1. Come on. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 1 is 36. Add them up. 3, 11, carry the 1, 2, 8, 3. Okay, but it was 720.21, so I have two digits to the right of my decimal, so I need to have two digits to the right of my decimal in my answer. So answer is 382.13.
Are you
Come
talking
on.
to yourself?
Just a sec, Bob. Okay, so I just wanted to go over that. So you guys you missed a step or two somewhere in there. So you may want to relook at your work or redo the problems just to make sure you have it down. If you have any questions, let me know.